Hello and welcome to all my lovely students out there. Today's class we will do the applications of quadratic equations. Like we did the applications of linear equations in two variables, same way here some word problems. We will read those word problems, we will form condition and we will get a equation in quadratic form. Quadratic equations you will get. We will crack that quadratic equation. You can use any method, but ideal method to use is we will be solving the sums by factorization method. So let's start the first sum, practice set 2.6. The first sum, practice set 2.6, product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Pragati's age. Product of Pragati's age. Product means what? Multiply. What are you multiplying? You are multiplying two quantities. One is Pragati's age 2 years ago. If suppose Pragati's age is X, Pragati's age 2 years ago will be 2 years ago. Your age now 14 or 15. Let us take it as 15. 2 years ago your age was 15 minus 2. So same way, Pragati's age is X. 2 years ago it will be X minus 2. Okay. Then they have given Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence. Hence means 3 years later, after 3 years. Now you are 15. After 3 years you will be 18. Yes. So if Pragati is X now, after 3 years her age will be X plus 3. You will add. Hence means you will add. Go means you will subtract. So now product of, that is 2 years ago Pragati's age multiplied by 3 years later Pragati's age. The answer is given as 84. Over. Got condition, solve and get the value of X. Easy? Super easy. Let me check once again whether the condition is satisfied. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. So let us write in proper systematic method. Write the first condition. Let Pragati's age be X years respectively. Pragati's age be X respectively. Okay. Then write down age 2 years ago. Age 2 years ago. First sum, no? So we will write more details. From second, third and all, we will directly get into the condition. For condition you have 1 mark. For the steps you have marks, and for the final answer. Okay. These type of word problems will be coming for 3 marks. So we have proper distribution of steps. Being the first sum, we will write in full detail. Okay. So age 2 years ago means if it is X, 2 years ago it will be X minus 2. Age 3 years hence. 3 years hence means now it is X. Hence means after 3 years it will be X plus 3. Okay. X plus 3. Now write down according to the given condition. According to the given condition. What is the given condition? The product of 2 years ago and 3 years hence. X minus 2 into X plus 3. Product of age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Yes. Is 84. Yeah. So this is the condition. Now solve. X into X plus 3 minus 2 into X plus 3 is equal to 84. Therefore, always put a therefore. This will be X square plus 3X minus 2X minus and plus minus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 84. Solve it further, you get X square plus and minus minus 3x minus 2x will be plus 1x because 3 is bigger number, sign is plus. minus 6 equal to 84. So we have an equation here, and which type of equation is this? This is a quadratic equation. This is the equation that we got. Let us write this equation again. I am writing it here. X square plus x minus 6 equal to 84. Okay. Now after this, we want a proper equation. What you will do is, you will bring this 84 to the other side. So therefore, x square plus x minus 6 minus 84 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus x minus and minus plus 84 plus 6 will be 90. So you have minus 90 equal to 0. Both are negative. 84 is bigger number, minus sign. So minus 90. Now 90, you will find out the prime factors. We want two numbers. When you multiply, you should get minus 90. When you add or subtract, you should get plus 1. Okay. So which are the numbers? 2 4s and 5s, 3 1s, 3 5s, 3 5s and 5 1s. We want 1 as the answer. Okay. 3 2s 6, 6 3s, we want 1 as the answer. 3 3s 9. Yes. 3 3s 9 and 2 5s 10. So the numbers are 9 and 10. Now see the sign of the middle term, that is the second term is plus. So out of this, the bigger number is 10. 10 will get plus sign. We want to do subtraction. 10 minus 9 will give you 1. So what sign should be there for 9? It should be minus. Only then plus and minus minus. 10 minus 9 is 1 and 10 into 9 is minus 90. Condition is satisfied. So our factors are, we will split the middle term as minus 9x and plus 10x. Okay, so let me write it. X square plus 10x. I wrote plus, so I'll write plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 equal to 0. Any one term you can write first. Not necessary that 10x should be written here. Even if you write minus 9x plus 10x, then too you will get the correct answer. Let us make group of 2. From this 2x common, what remains is x plus 10 minus from these two 9 common, what remains is x plus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 10, x minus 9 equal to 0. So, what are the answer? Therefore, x plus 10 equal to 0 or x minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to plus 10 goes to the other side, it will be minus 10, or here minus 9 goes to the other side, it will become plus 9. Now, what is this x? What is x? What we had taken x? X is Pragati's age. Can the age be negative? The age will never be negative. So, out of this, minus 10 we can't take because age will never be negative. So, I'll write the step here. As age cannot be negative, x is equal to 9. I'll take the positive value. X is equal to 9. Therefore, Pragati's age is 9 years. Pragati's age is 9 years. The second sum. Sum of the squares of two consecutive natural even numbers. Sum of the squares of two consecutive natural even numbers is 244. Sum of the squares of consecutive natural even number. Yes, even number we know. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Here they are talking about even numbers, natural even numbers, but one more term used here is consecutive. Consecutive means one after the other. Which is the even number after 4? The next consecutive number is 6. Which are the two consecutive even numbers out of this list? If I want to write, I can write 2, 4. Two consecutive even natural numbers. even numbers that are coming one after the other. Okay, which is the next even number after 2? 4. If I am asking after 6, you will write down 8. If I ask out of 10, the next consecutive even number will be 12. Understood? So if I am taking first number as x, what will be the next number if it is even? If it was natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it is natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and go on. And it will go on. Natural numbers. So if first number is x, the next number will be x plus 1. Correct, no? But in this case, these are not natural numbers. These are natural even numbers. So if the first number is x, what is the next number? What is the next number? After 2, are you getting 3? So will it be x plus 1 or x plus 2? Yes, it will be x plus 2. If the first even number is x, the consecutive even number will be x plus 2. Understood? Now see, 6. Then 6 plus 2 is 8. 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So if the first even number is x, then its consecutive even number will be x plus 2. You will add 2. 10 को 2 किया तो add किया तो 12. 12 plus 2 will give you the next number, even number 14. So write down let the consecutive natural even numbers be, x and x plus 2. First number is x, the next even number will be x plus 2 respectively. So first even natural number we got and the consecutive number we got. Now read the condition. What is the condition? The sum of, okay, so directly we will write according to the given condition, क्या है? Sum of squares of two consecutive natural even number. We got two consecutive natural even number. Now we have to add, and what you have to add? Sum of the squares. So first do the square of this number, then add both. So this will be x square plus, second number is x plus 2 the whole square. When you add these two, when you add the square, check once again. Sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. So, equal to 244. We got the condition. Now we have to work on this condition and get the value of x. So, let us work on it. X square plus, we all remember this expansion, a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Working, huh? So what will be x plus 2 the whole square? X plus 2 the whole square will be x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. So what will you get? X square plus 2 into x, 2x, 2x into 2x into 2, 4x. 4x plus 2 square will be 4. Okay? Is equal to 244. I used the expansion formula a plus b the whole square. So I got x square plus 2 into x, 2x, 2x into 2, 4x plus 2 square is 4 equal to 244. Now solve this. Bring 244 to this side. X square plus x square will be 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 is equal to 0. Plus and minus minus. How much is 244 minus 4? 240, and you will put the sign of the bigger number, minus sign. So what you get is, this step, what you get is 2x square plus 4x plus and minus minus, 244 minus 4 is 240. 244 is bigger number, minus sign, equal to 0. Now here, as I can see, 2, 4 and 240. All these three numbers are going in 2's table. So let me take 2 common. I'll divide by 2 everywhere. Here divide by 2, here divide by 2, here divide by 2. So what am I getting? So that I get a little lesser number. Calculation will be smoother. So 2 divided by 2, I'll get 1x square plus 4 divided by 2 will be 2x minus 240 divided by 2 will be 2 1s are, 2 2s are and 0 equal to 0. Okay, so I took 2 common. 2 common means dividing that number by 2 over. So abhi humko ye mila. This is the equation. Now I'll work on this. When I multiply, I should get minus 120. When I add or subtract, I should get plus 2x. So we go for factorization. 120, 2 6s and 0, 2 3s and 0, 2 1 and 5, 3 5s, 5 1s. 12 minus 10 will give me 2. So the numbers are 12 and 10. Very simple. Okay, so write down therefore x square plus 12x, here plus, so bigger number will get plus sign, minus 10x minus 120 equal to 0. Okay, this was working. Understood? Plus and minus is minus. 12 minus 10 is 2x. And 12 into 10 is 120, plus and minus, minus 120. Yes, everything is correct. Now forming groups, take common, x plus 12 minus 10 common out of this. Common means what? You have to divide by that number. So in common, so what remains? 10 divided by 10 is 1x, only x is remaining, minus 120 divided by 10 you will get. Now minus sign, so this minus will become plus. 10 1s are 10 and 10 2s are 20 equal to 0. Yes, same we got. Therefore, x plus 12 equal to 0 or x minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 12 or x is equal to 10. Now they have given natural numbers. Even natural number. So you can't take minus 12. Okay. As the number is even natural number, therefore x equal to 10. You will take the value as x is equal to 10. X equal to minus 12 you will not take, because in the condition it is given that the numbers are even natural numbers. So even natural numbers means obviously it should be positive number. So negative number we will not take. So our value for x is 10. So if x is 10, which is the next consecutive even number? X plus 2. So 10 plus 2 will be 12. Okay, write down that. Therefore, the number is x is equal to 10. The next even natural number is equal to x plus 2, which is equal to 10 plus 2 is 12. Final answer. The numbers are 10 and 12. The numbers are 10 and 12. Yes, now we have the third question. It is given in the form of a flow chart. Solving sums in the form of flow chart is very interesting. No? Half information they give, only we have to fill the remaining things. Let us read the question. In the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. Madhusudan uncle is having a orange garden and there are 150 orange trees. Okay, itna samjha. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. Let me first be clear about rows and columns. So I have given you a simple example here. As you can see, here we have how many rows? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 columns. Madhusudan's garden is different. This is my garden. Okay, what is happening here is I have 4 rows and 5 columns. Madhusudan has given you one clue. Number of trees in row is 5 more than number of trees in column. That all we will get it. But first we will understand if the trees are in rows and in columns, how to get the answer. So I have 5 columns and 4 rows. And on each row I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So without counting each tree, can you tell me how to get the total number of trees? I have 5 columns and 4 rows. So what is the total number of trees in my garden? It will be 5 into 4, which is equal to 20. Yes, you can check. There are 20 trees in my garden. What is the basic funda? Number of trees in column. How many columns you have? That multiplied by number of rows. Number of columns into number of rows will give you the total number of trees. Is this thing clear? What is happening to Madhusudan now? Madhusudan, X column, okay, X column and number of trees in row is 5 more than column, X plus 5. Column you have X number of trees and onto row you have 5 more than column, that is X plus 5. So what will be the total number of trees? What you did here, same thing apply there. Total number of trees will be X into X plus 5. Understood? So same technique we will apply. Same technique we will apply. So write down the first step. Let the number of trees in a column be X. They have given. Therefore, number of trees in row will be, what is the condition given? 5 more than column, no? So X plus 5. Let the number of trees in a column be X respectively. Therefore, number of trees in a row is equal to, they have given condition, 5 more than. So, X plus 5. X plus 5. Next, according to the given condition, what are the total number of trees in Madhusudan's garden? 150. How will you get that? Number of trees in a column multiplied by number of trees in each row. So therefore, according to the given condition, X into X plus 5 will be 150. I hope you understood this step, how you got it. My garden example I gave you. Yes. X into X plus 5 is equal to 150. Therefore, X into X will be X square plus X into 5 will be 5X is equal to 150. Therefore, X square plus 5X minus 150 equal to 0. Now, factorization method you apply, get the answer. So, I have factorized 150. I want two numbers that will give me minus 150 when I multiply and plus 5 when I add or subtract. Yes, I got it. 5 3s are 15 and what is remaining is 2 5s are 10. 15 minus 10 will give me 5, correct? And 15 into 10 will give me 150. Now I have to decide the sign. What is the sign of the middle term? Plus. So bigger number will get plus. Obviously, this will be minus. So I am getting minus 150. Substitute x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 equal to 0. Grouping. Therefore, x common, x plus 15 minus, from these two, you can take 10 common. What will remain is x plus 15 is equal to 0. Correct, no? 1s and 5s, yes. Therefore, x plus 15 equal to 0 or x minus 10 equal to 0. This step I am writing. X plus 15 equal to 0, x minus 10 equal to 0. So, therefore, x is equal to minus 15 or x is equal to 10. Now, this is about number of trees. Number of trees can never be negative. So, you will write number of trees will not be negative. So, therefore, x is equal to 10. So, we will take the positive number. X is equal to 10. So, what you get is x is equal to 10. What is the question now? Frame. Number of trees in column x. Number of trees in row. You got x plus 5. Total number of trees is 150. Number of trees. Then you frame the equation. Find x. Number of trees in column will be how much? X was 10. 10 trees. So in this column you will write 10 trees. And the number of trees in a row will be, therefore, number of trees in a row will be x plus 5, which is equal to 10 plus 5, 15. Now multiply and check. 10 into 15, how much? 150. Yes. Satisfying the question. Whatever the question, the equation is satisfying the given information. So our answer is absolutely correct. Present your answer in the form of the flow chart and get your full marks. Okay. This way we have done 3 word problems in today's class. In the next class again we will be doing, next time we will do 4 sums. Practice these sums, frame the equation, see to it. You apply each step logically and check. Okay, so it will be fun to crack these word problems. So in the next class we will be meeting with the remaining word problems. Till then complete your book. If you understood, click on the like button. Bye.